Good morning dear students. Sanila ma'am is back with English. Now today ma'am is going to continue with the same lesson है ना जो आप लोग वर्षा मैम के साथ पढ़ रहे थे lesson 6. Today we are going to do the exercise of page number 49. On page number 49 of lesson 6 we are going to do speaking time. Okay. See, look into your book everyone. Page number 49. स्पीकिंग टाइम. ओके, सो स्पीकिंग टाइम में एक क्वेश्चन लिखा हुआ है. व्हाट इज इट? रीड विथ मैम. ओके, कीप योर फिंगर वेयर आई एम रीडिंग. राइट द शॉर्ट ए साउंड्स, short o sounds and short I sounds in the blanks given. Okay, okay, so I'm going to write down the question, है ना. All of you take out your book, lesson 6, page number 49. Okay, page number 49 पे हम क्या करने वाले हैं आज? Speaking time. Okay, we are going to do the exercise of speaking time. What is the first question? Question number A. Write the short a sounds short o sound and short I sounds in the blanks given. Okay, so this is your question. Write the short a sounds, short o sound and short a sounds. Okay, इन द ब्लैंक्स गिवन. आपको देखो बुक में कुछ ब्लैंक्स दिए हुए हैं, आपको इसमें फिल करना है यूजिंग दिस बॉक्स. ओके, सम वर्ड्स आर गिवन इन योर बॉक्स, in your book. See this purple box you can see here. In this box some words are given. You have to fill them accordingly to their sounds. Okay, in this blanks. Okay, before that we'll try to understand, we'll learn what are these sounds. Okay, so first word is A, है ना. A sounds A, right? So we see some words which sounds A, है ना. A for apron. Apron means you have seen your mother wearing an apron while cooking, right? Apron. Mom is wearing an apron. Apron. Okay. Now next at, है ना. At means खा लिया. Okay, so Tony at his lunch. Okay, now few more words. A for aim. Aim, right? Aim means to plan for something, to have some planning according to your what you say. Have you seen that game, है ना? We use small arrows to aim the point, right? Have you played that game? For that we use aim. For that game we say no, mark the point properly, aim the point, right? So the next one is aid, है ना. Aid means doctors do the proper aid when you get hurt, when you get fractured, or when you get some cuts in your hands. What do? You do first aid, right? So that word aid. Now next word rain. Rain means barish, rain, right? So these are some words using short sounds of A, right? Now, next word O. How we pronounce it? O, right? So, some of the words that we pronounce it O, है ना? First we will see the word O for O. You can write Om, है ना? We say Om. Om can be a name, right? Then next one, old. Old means पुराना या बूढ़े लोगों को हम old कहते हैं, right? Then only, right? Only means इकलौता, सिर्फ एक, right? Then more. What do you mean by more? More means और ज़्यादा, right? Then rope. Rope means रस्सी, right? We use it to tie something, to hang something, right? Rope. Now, bold. Oh, bold. Bold means साहसी, है ना? Brave. We can use these words for the strongest persons, right? Bold. Okay, so these are some words that pronounce short sound of O. O. Okay, now the next word is I. But A, है ना? I को हम E साउंड करते हैं. E. Okay? E. So, some words are like I for it. You know? It. Is. Sin. Hill. Some words that sound short sound I in E. है ना? E. E means it. Is, sin, hill. Okay? These are some words that sound short sound A, that is I. Okay? Now we'll see the questions in our exercise. Okay? I will arrange it in the same way they are mentioned in your book. Okay? So, look at your book, everyone. Short A sounds, short I sounds, short O sounds. Okay, अब इसके नीचे हम कुछ लाइन्स लिख देते हैं. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so what are the words that make short A sounds? First is can, C-N, can. P-N, pan. B-N, van. M-N, man. F-N, fan. These are the words that make short A sounds. Okay, then tin, E sound, tin. Pig, pin, sit. The last one is bin. Okay. The next one is O. Dog, top, pot, log, fog. O sound. Dog, pot, top, log, fog. है ना? O sound. And short I sound is E. E. Tin, pig, pin, sit, bin. Okay. In. Then A sound. Can, pan, dan, man, fan. Okay. Is that clear, everyone? So these are some short A sound, O sound and E sound. Okay. This way you use A, I, O in some other sound. है ना? Every word is having different pronunciation. Okay. Sometimes we use I. For example, sometimes we use I in some other ways also. Right? Or like this was E sound, short sound, right? For which we use this E, small, right? Also you can use big one. Also when you use some other letters with I, it becomes I, you know? Like this also. For some other words, with some other words it becomes I, okay? I, E, okay? There are different sounds with different letters, okay? So for now you have to learn only this much, what we have already written. Later we'll study this also, okay? So these are some words that make different sounds, है ना? Can, pan, van, man, fan, then E, tin, pig, pin, sit, bin, then dog, top, pot, log, fog. Okay? Is that clear, everyone? I hope it is clear with you all. Now solve this in your book and then we will do the next question in next class. Till that, learn these words and try to pronounce it correctly. Always when you pronounce, always keep your hands here so that you can feel a vibration and you can recognize what word make what kind of sound. Okay? And how you have to pronounce. Okay? So now, learn all these exercises and keep practicing. Okay? Good day, everyone.